This video is about how the electrical conductivity is carried out by the heart, that is basically by the SA node and the AV node. SA node is the sinoarterial node and AV node is the atrioventricular node. As the heart is the main pumping organ, heart is basically has the four main chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. So it is involved in the pumping of the blood, that the blood comes from the right atrium into the right ventricle. Then they are pumped into the lungs, and from the lungs, the oxygenated blood is received by the left atrium that goes to the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle to the aorta, it is supplied to the all different parts of the body. So this contraction of the heart muscles is basically is regulated by the action potential, and that action potential is basically generated by the impulse, and these impulse are generated by the two main important points, or the main important point, that is basically known as the special type of cells that are known as pacemaker cells. So pacemaker cells are basically the SA node and AV node. More specifically, the SA node or the sinoarterial node is known as the pacemaker cells, because the heart, as the heart muscles, they are involuntary in action. So involuntary means that the activity of the heart is controlled by itself, like they are not controlled by the nervous system, or they're regulating their activity without nervous control. So how the conduction or activity of the heart is performed, it will be initiated by a specific cells or specific point known as the pacemaker cells. So the pacemaker cells from which the impulse will be generated, that will proceed the action potential, and through the action potential, through depolarization, the contraction of the heart muscles takes place. Then by the contraction, it will pump the blood into the other part or to different parts of the body. So this is how the electric conductivity is performed by the heart. More specifically, the impulses are generated by the pacemaker cells. So pacemaker cells are the SA node and the AV node. The more specifically is the first initial impulse that is generated by the SA node. Let's say that the SA node, how the most important is the SA node. So SA node is basically present in the right atrium, at the outer wall of the right atrium. So this uh, sinoatrial node, it controls the contractility or the activity of the heart, more specifically the right atrium and the left atrium, and it controls the heartbeat at the rate of 60 to 100 beats per minute. So it basically the normal heartbeat. So it makes sure that the sinoatrial node, it determines or it maintains the heartbeat at the rate of 60 to 100 beats per minute. The other pacemaker cell is the AV node. AV node is basically itself controlled by the SA node. Like sinoarterial node, it basically also controls the AV node. AV node, it receives the impulses or the by the SA node, and then AV nodes further transmits the action potential to the cardiac muscles and involved in the contraction of the ventricles. As SA node is involved in the contraction of the arteria, like right artery and the left artery, but AV node, it's basically it is involved in the contraction of the ventricles. So AV node controls the right ventricle and the left ventricle of the heart. So it makes sure the heartbeat at the rate of 40 to 60 beats per minute. So the heart rate or the heartbeat is controlled at the rate of 40 to 60 beats per minute by the AV node. As we say that SA node um, is is a bit comparatively faster than that of the AV node. Then when as the initial impulse is generated by the SA node, when it reaches the AV node, then in the AV node the impulse becomes slower as compared to the SA node, because AV node receives the impulse from the SA node, that it uh, extends to the AV. So AV node, it gets when it's getting the impulse from the SA to the AV, so the impulse rate is basically the beats rate is basically slower than as compared to the SA node. As for the SA, it was from it ranges from 60 to 100 beats per minute, and for the AV node, it makes sure, or it regulates the beat of the heart at the rate of 40 to 60 beats per minute. So like between say 40 to 60, because it ranges from person to person. So let's say this whole network of these fibers or these nerves, that SA node and AV node, how it is extended throughout these heart muscles and how they regulate the action potential and depolarization of the heart muscles. So this is the whole network of the nerve fibers that is expanded from the atrium and into the ventricle. Let's see, for first of all, for the sinoarterial node, the SA node, the pacemaker cells from which basically the impulse originates. So the SA node, as you can see here, these nerves are present in the right atrium. So it regulates the right atrium, and it SA node is basically present in the outer layer of the right atrium, but it also controls the left atrium. So it controls the left atrium through the nerve fiber or through nerve bundles known as Bachmann's bundle. So this back through SA node, it also controls the contraction or the activity of the left atrium with the help of this nerve fiber known as Bachmann's bundle. Then this SA node is also connected to this arterioventricular node, AV node. So this AV node is basically it is present between the right atrium and the right ventricle, just near to the valve, as the valve that is the opening between the atrium and the ventricle for the to prevent the backflow of the blood from the ventricle to the atrium. As the blood comes from the atrium to the ventricle, so there are the valves. So valves are just like a gate or a flap like portion organ that prevents the backflow, so that the blood will flow from the atrium into the ventricle. So this atrioventricular is, therefore it is known as atrioventricular, because atrioventricular, it is present between the atrium and the ventricle, just near the valves. So this atrioventricular node, it basically the impulse received by the SA node, by the AV node, then it further propagates this impulse down to the other nerves. So it basically controls the contraction or the activity of the ventricles. So ventricles contraction occurs or regulated by this AV node. Then this AV node then further extends into the His bundle. So His bundle receives the impulse from the AV node, and this His bundle divides into two nerves. Here, this His bundle divides into two, like each nerves will be that covers each ventricle. So it is divided into left and right ventricle nerve fibers. So the right and left ventricle fibers, then it is again at the end, it is having a meshwork or network of the nerve fibers that are known as Purkinje fibers. So finally, these Purkinje fibers transmit the impulses to the cardiac muscle cells. So these cardiac muscle cells, it, that that will initiate the action potential and then depolarization, and that will result in the contraction of the heart muscles. So this is the whole network for the SA node and the AV node, that how this network is spread into the heart. So His bundle, and then a left and right bundles that originate from the His bundle, and then there's a network or meshwork of nerve fibers that are present in the ventricles that are known as Purkinje fibers. Now let's see this whole nerves location, where they're located inside the heart, as I just showed you them separately from the heart. But now let's see their location, that this sinoarterial node, SA node, is just present. This is these is shown here. The heart has the four chambers. This is the right atrium, this is the left atrium, right ventricle, and this is left ventricle. So this whole network is like present like here, surrounding the cardiac muscle cells. So the impulse will be generated, the main pacemaker cell that will initiate the impulses, because they are regulated without nervous system or the nerves, with the help of the nerve impulses. So the initial nerve impulse will be generated from the sinoarterial node with the help of the action potential and depolarization. So this sinoarterial node that is present in the right atrium on the outer layer, and then it controls um, the contraction or activity of this right atrium and also the left atrium. So the left atrium, this is it is controlled by the specific nerve fiber that is known as Bachmann's bundle. And then after that this sign SA node also transmits the signals to this AV node. This AV node that is present between the atrium and the ventricle. So that's what is known as atrioventricular node. it will receive the impulses from the SA node, and then it is involved in the contraction or the activity of the ventricles, and it is further down, it is extended into His bundle, and then His divides into two, and these two then again is having the nerve fibers known as Purkinje fibers that transmits the impulses to the cardiac muscle cells of the ventricles, and that are involved in the contraction or the pumping of the blood from these ventricles. So these all together located on their specific locations are involved in the action potential, depolarization, and contractility, or you can say that electrical conductivity of the heart. So let's see for the overall how this impulse would look like. That this is the sinoarterial node, SA node, and in that controls the right atrium and left atrium. And then there is the AV node that controls the uh, right ventricle and the left ventricle. So this is how the contraction or the activity of the heart is performed by these pacemaker cells that are known as sinoarterial node, SA node, and